Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore CTR improvements with Google Ads assets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore CTR improvements with Google Ads assets, first, log in to your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaign you wish to optimize. Click on the Ads and Extensions tab in the left-hand menu. Review the performance of your existing ads to identify underperforming assets. Select the specific ad that displays a lower CTR than desired. Analyze the headlines and descriptions for clarity and relevance. Consider updating the headlines to include more compelling keywords. Add more engaging call-to-action phrases to encourage clicks. Evaluate the use of ad extensions such as sitelink, callout, and structured snippets. Incorporate relevant ad extensions to provide additional information and context. Test different combinations of assets to find the most effective arrangement. Utilize responsive search ads to allow Google to optimize your ad combinations. Monitor the performance of your updated ads over a 2-week period. Evaluate the CTR of your ads after implementing changes. If performance improves, consider scaling the successful strategies across other campaigns. If not, review the keywords triggering your ads for relevancy and intent. Utilize A/B testing for continuous improvement of your ad assets. Regularly refresh and update your ads to avoid ad fatigue. Maintain a consistent brand message across all your assets. Incorporate seasonal themes or promotions to capture user interest. Lastly, keep an eye on industry trends to stay relevant and competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.